Smart Scouts!
Welcome to the smartscouts.ph Learning Filipino for Beginners Part 4. You did great on our previous videos and I hope you were able to answer all our worksheets correctly. Join us in this episode of Smart Scouts series where we will learn more about the parts of the house or mga parte ng bahay. But before that, let's recap some of the words we learned. Can you remember the Filipino words of these animals? Leon, baboy, ahas, aso, bubuyog, langgam, tutubi, higad, and ipis. Now, let's learn about our home, or in Filipino, we call it bahay or tahanan. Let's have the first one. Door, pinto, pinto. Window, bintana, bintana. Wall, pader, pader. Roof, bubong, bubong. Backyard, bakuran, bakuran. Let's go inside the house or pumunta tayo sa loob ng bahay. Living room, sala, sala. Kitchen, kusina, kusina. Garage, garahe, garahe. Bedroom, cuarto, cuarto. Bathroom, banyo, banyo. Laundry area, labahan, labahan. Ceiling, kisame, kisame. Chimney, pausukan, pausukan. Balcony, balkonahe, balkon, azotea. Wow, you really are doing great. Let's have a short activity. In the next slide, I'll be showing you a picture and you have to tell me the Filipino word of the part of the house or parte ng bahay. Are you ready? Ready ka na ba? Pinto, bintana, bubong, banyo, sala, kwarto. Good job! Mahusay, magaling. You did a great job. Now, listen to this. Here are some learning tips that could help you, brought to you by Smart Scouts. Firstly, make sure to listen carefully with the intonation in every word and repeat. Secondly, remember to take the lessons one step at a time. Start with the basic words, then make simple word combinations. Lastly, keep in mind that practice makes perfect. You can do it. Or we say, kaya mo yan. Thank you for learning with us, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our next video and the book links in the description below.